Hello everyone. Today I take the 450 web as an example to demonstrate the installation of the P3 flight controller. You need to pay attention to its direction when installing. The direction of the arrow is the direction of the drone's head. The wide arm of this 450 drone is the head. The FC is installed in the center as much as possible. Then connect the signal wires of the 4S to the FC. This is a 4-axis drone. Right in front is number 1. Counterclockwise are number 2, number 3, and number 4. Start the connection with number 1 below. White is the signal line. Red is the power supply line. Black is GND. Install number 1, 2, 3, 4 with the white wire facing down. The installation of the ESC cable is now complete. Next, install the power cord. The black wire is facing upwards and connected to power. GPS installation is in the same direction as FC, with the black line facing up. LED is connected to the FC corresponding interface. Above, the P3 flight controller is installed. Thank you for your watching.